Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
Overall equipment effectiveness is the ratio of actual output of the equipment divided by the maximum output of the equipment under the best performance condition. Overall equipment effectiveness is also the multiplication of availability, performance rate and quality rate. Availability indicates problem which is caused by downtime losses. Performance indicates the loss caused by speed losses, and the quality indicates the scrap and rework losses. Let us understand availability, performance and quality in depth in next slides. The formula for availability is required availability minus downtime by required availability. To convert it in percentage, we multiply it by 100. Required availability is the time of production to operate the equipment minus other planned downtime like breaks, meetings, etc. The downtime or break downtime is the actual time for which the equipment is down for repairs or changeovers. This time is also sometimes known as the break time. The performance rate is the ideal or design cycle time or running time to produce the item multiplied by output of the equipment or theoretical speed and then dividing it by operating time. This will give the performance rate of the equipment. The running time or the production output will be in the unit of production like parts per hour, and the output will be total output in the given time period interval. The operating time will be the availability value of the availability formula. The result of this formula will be in the percentage of the performance of the equipment. Another way of showing the performance rate is theoretical output minus speed loss by actual output into 100. Quality. Quality rate is given by production input minus quality losses by production input into 100. Production input means unit of product being fed into the production process. Quality losses mean the amount of products which are below the quality standards, that is, the rejected items after the production process. Take a pause to look this diagram, which shows quality, performance and availability. It also shows availability loss, performance losses and quality losses. OEE is the multiplication of availability rate, performance rate and quality rate. The world-class data regarding the availability is 90%, performance is 95%, quality is 99% and overall equipment effectiveness is 85.4%. But we should not stick to these figures in attaining quality because quality is a process of continuous improvement.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.